As we carry out the vehicle walk around on the all new Aston Martin DBX, what we'll look at is some of the key features with this particular model. On the offside footwell, you'll find that the bonnet release is located there. One single pull will release the first locking stage. As you move around to the front of the vehicle, identify where the Aston Martin badge is located on the front grille, and this will enable you to locate the second unlocking stage of the bonnet to allow it to open fully. As we move around to the offside of the vehicle, what we can then do is identify the jump start points. The first one, as we see here, is the positive terminal. The next one is normally located under the bonnet with a protruding bolt, and this is where the negative jump point would be. As we move around to the front of the vehicle again, what we will look at is some of the parking sensor locations, but also the adaptive cruise control. And then moving on to the front towing eye. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, what we can then see is the location for the jacking points. One at the front, and then one at the rear. As you move around to the rear of the vehicle, with one single action, the boot will automatically open. Some of the other key features on the back of the boot, the two buttons located here is one for the boot stop and also the lock of the vehicle, and then finally the battery conditioner also. Once the boot liner and parcel shelf have been removed, we can then have a look in the boot area. From here, you can see the fuse box cover, but as we move across slightly onto the back quarter, you will then locate the fuel filler release toggle and also a 12-volt auxiliary connector. Right hand side of the spare wheel, you can locate the 12-volt battery, but also the 48-volt lithium ion battery, which is used for the anti-roll bar. Also in the boot area, you will find that the rear fuse board is located here. To get an understanding of what fuse does what, please see the recovery guide. You will need to press the button twice and then bring the full digitalised dashboard into play. It doesn't come equipped with a dipstick. You will need to go through a sub-menu to gain access to the oil level. By pressing the down volume button for at least 8 seconds and then the centre toggle switch on the steering wheel, this will enable a sub-menu allowing you to check the engine oil level and the quantity. By using the buttons on the steering wheel, we can gain access to the sub-menu on the dashboard. Once in the dashboard feature, we can then access TPMS systems, oil levels, service intervals, and some other additional features. This can be seen demonstrated on the video above.